5 класс. Английский язык. Это было великолепно. Домашнее задание. Страница 108. English. Spotlight 5. It was great. Homework page 108. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you. You look wonderful today. So do you. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. It was great. Exercise number 1. Letter A. Places to go. Vocabulary. What do the posters from A to F advertises? Что рекламируют плакаты от A до F? The answer. Poster A advertises an art gallery. Poster B advertises a concert hall. Poster C advertises a fast food restaurant. Poster D advertises an adventure park. Poster E advertises a theater. Poster F advertises a zoo. Boys and girls, we do exercise number 1, letter B. What can you do at each place? See wild animals, listen to music, look at paintings, watch a play, eat a burger, go on a roller coaster. In a room, inside, внутри, в комнате, at the bus stop, на открытой местности, на автобусной остановке. Что вы можете сделать в этих местах? Look at paintings, listen to music, eat a burger, go on a roller coaster, watch a play, see wild animals. The answer. You can see wild animals at the zoo. You can listen to music at a concert hall. We can look at paintings at an art gallery. We can watch a play at a theater. We can eat a burger at a fast food restaurant. We can go on a roller coaster at a theme park. Exercise number 2, reading. Letter A. Read the first paragraph in the email. What is it about? Listen, read and check. Прочитайте первый абзац электронного письма. О чем оно? Послушайте, прочитайте и проверьте. Hi, Sergey. I hope you're well. Guess where I was last weekend? I decided to go to the Crazy Ride Adventure Park with my friends. The weather was great. There were a lot of people there. There were so many rides. I couldn't choose which one to go on. I tried the mega roller coaster. It was great. We wanted to go to the Hall of Mirrors, but we didn't because there was a very long queue. We tried candy floss, but I didn't like it. We stayed until late in the evening. What about you? Did you visit your grandparents? Write back soon, Sam. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2, letter B. Read the email again and answer the questions. Then explain the words in bold. Прочитайте электронное письмо снова, ответьте на вопросы, объясните выделенные слова. Where was Sam last weekend? Who else was with him? Why didn't Sam go into the Hall of Mirrors? What did Sam eat at the park? The answer. Last weekend, Sam was in the Crazy Ride Adventure Park. He was with his friends. Sam didn't go there because there was a very long queue. He tried candy floss. Choose Q. Candy floss. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.
I fly so blue in the sky, even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the